Here is the signature 440T came in. So here's what I've found so far. This lid comes off here with a little bit of finessing. Like that. So first thing I noticed was ribbon lift is sticking. It's probably not that big a deal. Also the paw over here, I think all these paws were sticky. See that right there? It should be springing back automatically, and so I think those are just all sticky on both sides. It's missing a spring. See the spring here? Should be one here. Probably be able to fabricate something on here, but that is not the main problem. Problem is it actually types over here just fine, but if you move the carriage over here, it just flies and it grinds. And even with the carriage release, it grinds. Everything looks straight. I don't know what it is yet. I thought it was dragging on the tab rack back here, so I cleared all the tabs. That didn't have any effect. It's still just grinding and won't stay in place. When you type, it just flies over. So I will have to investigate this, but it was not a working typewriter. I don't see any shipping damage. It was packed perfectly. Didn't see anything there. So I'm going to do some investigating, but that's it for now. Good day.